Pinangunahan ng Division Commander ng 7 Infantry Kaugnay Division Philippine Army na si Major General Joseph Norwin Pasamonte ang Joint Change of Chief of Office Ceremony at donning of ranks para sa newly promoted officers ng nasabing unit. Naupo bilang bagong Acting Assistant Chief of Staff for Personnel G1 si Lieutenant Colonel Romy Andres na humalili kay Colonel Julito Recto Jr.
To the OG1 personnel, let's maintain our collaboration and strive to deliver outstanding services that truly support and benefit our Kaugnay troopers. Together, we can make a difference.
Samantala, itinalaga si Colonel Recto bilang bagong Assistant Chief of Staff for Financial Management G10, kapalit ni Lieutenant Colonel Dominic Tagorda na magsisilbing bagong Assistant Commandant ng Division Training School 7ID.
As the outgoing G10 of 790, I want to express my gratitude for the opportunity to serve this role. To the OG10 personnel, kindly stand. It has been a privilege to work alongside who exemplify the values of honor, duty, and service. I am proud of the accomplishment we have achieved together in managing the financial resources of our division.
I find myself filled with mixed feelings and emotion. Grateful for the trust and confidence bestowed upon me by entrusting this new designation, while reflecting the journey we have embarked upon as I live a very challenging yet fulfilling job as a Human Resource Manager or G1.
Sa kaugnay na balita, tinanggap ni Major Rogelio Dombriga Jr. ang katungkulan bilang bagong Chief ng Division Public Affairs Office kapalit ni Major Jimson Masangkay.
Our office must remain steadfast in embracing innovations while maintaining our core values. I am resolute in sustaining the progress made by this office and further developing our personnel to ensure that we meet the challenges and an ever-evolving environment. Together, we will adapt, innovate, and excel as a team.
Kasabay ng isinagawang Joint Change of Chief of Office at Assumption Ceremony ay ang donning of ranks para sa 5 newly promoted officers ng 7ID. Kabilang sa mga ito sina Colonel Emmanuel Garcia, Executive Officer ng 702nd Infantry Defender Brigade; Colonel Michael Bautista, Assistant Chief of Staff for Civil Military Operations G7; Colonel Gerald Reyes, Commanding Officer ng 84th Infantry Victorious Battalion; Colonel Julito Recto Jr., bagong talagang G10, at Colonel Jose Perlas, Assistant Chief of Staff for Command and Control, Communications and Cyber System G6.
With that rank comes the challenges, and I do hope that you are really willing to take that challenge. There are many obstacles along the way, but then again, hindi naman ipagkakatiwala sa inyo yan kung hindi nakita na kaya ninyo. And again, you need the help of so many people. Feel free to ask help.
Kinilala ni Major General Pasamonte ang kontribusyon ng mga naturang officer at chief of offices sa pagtatagumpay ng misyon ng 7ID, kalakipang kanyang paalala at hamon na mapanatili ang mataas na moral at katapatan sa tungkuling maglingkod para sa bayan. Mula dito sa Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija, Amil Alcantara ang inyong kaugnay.